Jane is applying for a new job. She has already composed a full, thoughtful email to the hiring manager. First, she checks the recipient's email address to ensure it is absolutely correct. Next, she reviews the subject line. It's professional, clear, and easy to read. Now, she reviews the main body of the email, starting with a polite and professional greeting. Then she checks her message to confirm she included all the necessary information and details. She verifies the closing, making sure she used a polite and formal sign-off. And finally, she ensures her signature, including her name, is written correctly. This is the most critical step. Jane mentioned attaching documents, so she must make sure those files are actually included before sending. In this example, Jane wants to add a resume and a reference letter to her email. To do this, she locates and clicks the paperclip icon, the universal symbol for attachments. She used one click on the paperclip to start the process. Once she clicked, a File Explorer window opened up. She navigates to her documents, selects her most recent resume file, and then clicks the Open button at the bottom of the window. The file begins loading, and once the attachment is successful, the file name appears in a distinct blue color at the bottom of her email window. Because she has already attached one file, the symbol for attaching files has changed slightly. It now looks like a page with a small paperclip overlay. She makes a quick note not to confuse the attachment icon with the insert link symbol, which looks like a chain. Jane clicks the attachment button again to add her second document, the reference letter. This time, instead of clicking Open, she decides to simply double-click the file name to attach it, which works just as quickly. Now, both files, the resume and the reference letter, are correctly attached. She gives the entire email one final, quick double-check to ensure every detail is perfect. Everything looks correct. Jane clicks the Send button. A notification appears confirming message was sent, along with the option to undo the send or view the message she just sent. And this is how the complete email, with attachments, will look in the recipient's inbox.